And it could create, sometimes it can complicate things, and it just won't happen. So what we need to do is we need to go back into your computer, back into your WAMP, back into your www, back into Rabbit, and here we have the config file. Now it's a sample file. That's why when that screen came up, it said you don't appear to have one, because it's called config sample. What we need to do, right click on that. You can open this with Notebook, but I like to use Notepad++. So I'll open it with that. You can use it if you've not got it. Notepad++ is pretty much free anyway. Now, the areas that we need to concentrate on are these areas here: the username, the password, and the local host and the database name. Okay, so so that's basically what we need to do. So make sure that the information is put in correctly. Now, we called the database Rabbit, so that is the database name. So let's bring that back up. So in the database name here, it's a highlight and it's Rabbit, and it was all lowercase. Because you're working locally, PHP MyAdmin will give a basic root, so that is the database name.
Database name là cái gì mà ta database name Sorry, WordPress. Okay. WordPress username. Username Sari, password prefix sorry, double prefix.
That back up. So in the database name here, it's a highlight and just ram it, and it was all lowercase. Because you're working locally, PHP MyAdmin will give a basic root is the username. It's always root. Okay, and the password is nothing. So just delete that. Keep the hyphens because then it's nothing. And the host name is localhost because you are localhost. You're doing this locally. So we need to save that.
Okay.
File name, the password, and the local host and the database name. Okay, so so that's basically what we need to do. So if we go back, let's just have a quick overview again. WAMP into the PHP MyAdmin. And what we need to do is we need to make sure that the information is put in correctly now. We place name here, it's a highlight, and just ram it, and it was all lowercase. Because you're working locally, PHP MyAdmin will give a basic root is the username. It's always root. Okay, and the password is nothing. So just delete that.
Password admin.
Keep the hyphens because then it's nothing. And the host name is localhost because you are localhost. You're doing this locally. So we need to save that. File, save, come out of it. Then the next stage we need to go back into this folder where we've just checked.
Yeah. Okay. Subtitle. Okay. This subtitle. Provide following information. Don't worry, you can always change subtitle that time. Username. Username. Multiply. Password. Okay. So password does not match. Okay. Strong indirectly. Void p by chanth by đã 4 5 អត់ត្រូវគ្នាអូខេ yes okay login yeah login password 123 okay yes very good yes ឥឡូវបង្កើតតាបេះបានហើយច្រឡំបង្កើត website មួយមកអូខេ remember okay IT Cambodia yes okay
change this file. Okay, in new AMP www rabbit, and let's right click on it, rename it, and just get rid of the sample. So all you've got is wp-config. Okay, so now comes the exciting bit. We're ready to install WordPress. So let's come out of, don't need to be in there anymore. Let's go to a browser. And what we need to do is type localhost slash, and we need to type wp -admin / install.php. Now it's not been found. So
not found.
What have we got? What have we done here that's wrong? Now this is what a lot of people, where people do make a mistake. Localhost. So what we have is where was it? Okay, so we go back in and we look, and we went to the WAMP server, www, which is your public, would be classed as your public HTML. See, now it's deeper down than root, so it's rabbit. Okay, if there was nothing else in here except this, then that's the information that we will put in, but we're further down, so it's rabbit. Okay, people do make mistakes like this, so this is why I'm doing it this way. So it's wp-admin / rabbit / install. Press enter. Now we've still got a problem, so let's try http :/localhost Rabbit install, still nothing. So 404 not found. So let's go down. Let's look at our web server. Let's put everything offline for a second. Let's put everything back online. Double check everything's working. And then restart all the services. Okay. Sometimes what can happen is PHP MyAdmin can run a little bit slow. So sometimes it may not work for you. Okay, see nothing still. Okay, so let's just, okay, so let's now try that again. We've got localhost, localhost, rabbit /WP admin. Install.php. Enter. Okay, now we've got it now. If you do have a problem with it, just double check that your services are running. Leave it for a little bit. It can take, I mean, I've done this install so many times. I've even had it where it's been 15 minutes or so before it's just been able to come up. Whether it's something to do with, it has to be something to do with the database being a little bit slow. And I work locally on quite a lot of sites, so I can sometimes have a lot of databases. Anyway, now we're at the install stage. So a site title, this can be changed within WordPress should you need to at a later stage, so you call it whatever you like. Username will always come up as admin. When you do come to install this, if you're going to be working locally with this website, and then eventually you're going to put it on your own hosting account, you cannot change the administrator from admin. So for security reasons, most hackers are just the first thing they're going to do as default is for the username they're going to try admin. So let's put a different name. Let's just put kitchen as a username. Use whatever you like. Password. You can change your password inside. So all I'm just going to do, I'm just going to call it kitchen again, just so that we can get it. I know it's weak, but you can change all this. You just need to get in there. Your email, do whatever you like. Allow search engines to index it. Allow it. You're working locally, they can't index it anyway. So okay, then install WordPress. Okay, and there we go. Success. Your username, kitchen. Your password, yeah, we know it was kitchen. So let's log in. Okay, kitchen. We don't need to remember it. And log in. And there we have it. WordPress installed. Let's view the site, and there we go. We've got it already viewed. Let's go back to the dashboard. Let's go into one of the first things I like to do initially on a login. And there we have it, WordPress installed. Let's view the site, and there we go, we've got it already viewed. Let's go back to the dashboard. Let's go into one of the first things I like to do initially on a fresh install is go straight into settings, go into my permalinks, and if you start posting and building pages and this is live, you don't want this, that's not good. It's not good for search engines, it's not good for you, it's not good for the customer, so you want custom structure. If you do basically post name and custom structure are basically the same. If I set custom structure now, save the changes, it drops back to post name. They're the same thing. Okay, so there we have that. Appearance. We'll be talking about a lot of all this sort of thing in later tutorials. This is just a bit of a taster just to get you up and running. Let's just go into themes, and we'll see that we've got a couple of themes in WordPress. Let's activate, let's get rid of this theme. Let's put the 2012, which is the newest. All fresh installs will come with these two themes, so let's just activate that, and then we can just go up to here, visit the site, and there we have it. We're all there, we're all set up. Okay, now let's log out. Well, let's log out. Okay, we're logged out. Let's just open a new browser, and when you want to view your site, your local host / rabbit. Oops, just went to that. / rabbit, and there we go. Okay, you're now stored locally and up and running. I hope you'll come back some more tutorials. We're going to go step by step through a lot, from basic installation. We're going to go through widgets, themes, building themes, PHP, CSS, HTML. We'll be working with Dreamweaver. We'll set sites up so that you can work with them locally within Dreamweaver, and then just upload everything, and you'll be working with live code. Great way of working with WordPress. We'll talk about DNS, domain name servers. We'll also talk about some web design. So hopefully, please do subscribe. Please come back for more. Thank you.